Uba polang do ula pentep ag Sorkar jala kala menjur ke jing terwajang ke Community and Rural Development CNRD bantawe ke Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board kumta ke jing tawe ke neka board ke nirap gi kam ki jam jong ketenat CNRD bala terwaru bantung kam ya ki officer Junior Rural Development Officer JRDO lengbak expert committee jong ke board
where officers are proposed to be recruited through an expert committee or a board. The members of the service being postgraduates and postgraduate diploma holders from reputed institutes, and they will be selected through a rigorous examination process and posted at the blocks as Junior Rural Development Officers. We have indicated that there would be GRDO at the entry level. The number would be 59, and the number of posts required to be updated have also been indicated and approved. Now the crux of this proposal is that since these junior rural development officers, there is a paucity of officers at the ground level, and going through the MPSC would delay the process of selection of such officers. So the need to have and to constitute the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board was felt, and this was put up before the Cabinet and it was approved today.